Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Mailchimp for email automation. Mailchimp's automation features allow you to send the right message to the right person at the right time without constant manual effort. This powerful tool helps you engage with your audience, nurture leads, and ultimately drive more conversions. By setting up automated email sequences, you can save countless hours, ensuring your communications are always timely and relevant. It's like having a 24/7 marketing assistant working for you. To start building your automation, first log into Mailchimp and head to the Automations tab. Here, you can select from many pre-built customer journeys, such as a welcome series or abandoned cart reminders, or choose to build a custom workflow. The key is to define a clear trigger, which is the action that starts your automation, like someone subscribing to your list. Then, map out a logical sequence of emails, perhaps with a delay of 1 or 2 days between each message. Designing effective automated emails is crucial for success. Always ensure your email's design, colors, and fonts match your brand's look and feel to maintain recognition. Craft compelling subject lines that encourage opens, and fill your emails with valuable, engaging content. Personalization, like using a subscriber's first name, can significantly boost engagement. Remember to optimize your emails for mobile devices and ensure they are accessible to everyone, making them easy to read and interact with. Once your automations are live, it's essential to monitor their performance. Mailchimp provides comprehensive reports that show key metrics like open rates, click-through rates, and conversions. Regularly review these reports to understand what's working and what isn't. Consider a/B testing different elements, such as 2 subject lines or 2 call-to-action buttons, to see which performs better. By continuously analyzing and refining your triggers, content, and timing, you can optimize your automations for maximum impact and achieve your marketing goals.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.